Ang tanong, ano ba ang altar sa Biblia? Bakit ito mahalaga? Ano ang katumbas nito sa bagong tipan? Pagka po sinabing altar, you can summarize it into actually three things. First, it talks about having a biblical, covenantal, truthful relationship with God through Jesus Christ and His sacrifice for you on the cross. The second thing is spiritual discipline. The third is service. There are two things that happens when you talk about the altar of God. One is surrender, the second is sacrifice. Kapag walang surrender and sacrifice, hindi mo ma-activate ang altar blessing. So itong dahilan bakit kailangang isusuko mo ang buhay mo. And you have to do certain godly sacrifices that pleases God. If we want God's favor and blessings, if we want revival and restoration, if we want spiritual strength, we need to build and establish an altar for God in our lives.